All right, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I've got some chestnut brown hair, super cute for fall, from AliPearl hair. So if you are interested in this look, just keep on watching. All right, y'all, so let's get started on this first impression. So this hair is from AliPearl hair. This is their chestnut brown 200% density body wave lace front wig. It is a 13 by 4 lace front and it is 20 inches. The lace on this unit is Swiss lace and it does come with your standard 3 combs in the front with an adjustable strap. So let's get into how I'm going to style this unit. So it already comes with a pretty decent hairline. It seems to be pre-plucked, so it's not a super thick hairline or anything like that. And y'all, I lost my spray bottle. Actually, Isaiah lost it, so I had to use the old school dip your hand in your brush into a cup so that I could get this hair going in the right direction. But as far as the hairline goes, I'm just gonna pluck a little bit, and I'm doing this straight out the box. I didn't wash this wig, nor did I bleach the knots on it, because I think the knots look pretty decent, and I just didn't have time for all of that today. And to be honest, y'all, I'm not really sure if this unit really needed to be plucked that much. I did not spend much time on it because I really couldn't differentiate like where the line of demarcation was, and I also didn't want to over pluck this unit, so I'm just putting that out there. So I just added a little bit of my wax stick like I always do, and then going over it with my hot comb. I do this on every single wig, and this just makes things easier for me to apply the unit, and also it gets my units to lay really flat on my head. So this is a step I do not miss. So I kind of sped through the application part this go around because I really wanted y'all to really just see this color, because the color is the main thing about this unit. I'm doing what I always do, using my TG bedhead hairspray, blow drying it down, and I'm also working in 3 sections just to make the application, the install much easier on myself and make sure it's all laid and melted and all that kind of stuff. I will say this lace is hard. It's a bit hard, so keep that in mind. Some people like hard lace because it's actually more durable, so it should last you, or you can be a little bit rougher with it versus, you know, HD lace and all those other kind of laces. I would like to see this unit. I'm not sure if they have it available, but I would like to see this color, this whole unit with like HD or invisible lace. I think that would be perfect, but I did try and make it work. You can still see the lace right here while I'm blow drying, which wasn't my absolute favorite part, so I tried to hide that with some baby hair, which I'm about to show you guys how I did my little edges, and it worked out okay, again because the hair is so light and I didn't do my little edges, lay my edges like really heavy. You can still see the lace kind of peek through. So for all my beginners, or for everyone who's just now tuning into me, this is your first video, first time watching me, this is what I always say in every single wig video, is to always start cutting your baby hair, go long first. You cannot add hair. You can only keep pulling the hair down around your hairline, and you don't want to cut too short. However, I will also say the longer your hair is, the baby hair is, the more unnatural it may end up looking. So for me right here, I was kind of going for like just a swoop on the side, not like too much design or anything like that when it came to my baby hair. And like I said before, I definitely think I could have went a little bit thicker when it comes to my baby hair, because the hair is much lighter versus, you know, black hair or whatever that I typically do, and maybe that would have kind of hit that lace a little bit better. But it is what it is, just giving you guys some tips just in case you want to go for this wig. Just know you can probably go in on your baby hair a little bit more than usual. And just a PSA, an FYI, whatever you want to call it, everything that I'm using will be down below in the description box. Check my Amazon store out. I link tons of hair products and all the tools that I'm using as well in there. And also everything on this unit, all the details will be in the description box as well, you guys. So after I end up laying my hair for as long as I put my makeup on, so that was probably like 20 minutes, I'm just gonna go right in and start curling the hair. So this is body wave texture. This is supposed to be 200% density, and I wanted to keep that fullness, which is why I didn't go in and flat iron the hair first. And also I think the density on this is perfect for this for the length. So this is 20 inches, and I purposely went a little bit shorter, you guys. Y'all know I'm used to doing 24, 26 inches, pretty long, but I want to start kind of taking my units up a little bit, and I'm starting to really want to do more shorter lengths. Let me know down in the comments what length you typically go for. Do you go for 16, 18 inch, or are you long like 24 to 28 inches? I would really like to know. The unit also came pre-layered, so I didn't add these layers in, you guys. So that was actually really nice. I didn't really expect that, but they do need to be a little bit more defined. I think that's probably why I couldn't get it to curl how I wanted to. It took heat okay. I typically notice whenever it comes to hair that's colored, it takes a little bit more heat. It takes a little bit more work for me to get my hair to stay curled, and it held the curl okay. I ended up wearing this for some hours that day, and it's still pretty warm in Houston, y'all. It was just like 85 degrees when I had this unit on. So just know that you will need to add a little bit more hairspray than normal to keep your curls nice and intact and, you know, keep your volume going. So that's all I did. That's all I'm doing right here. Other than that, you guys, I think that's pretty much it for this review, for this first impressions. I ended up really loving this color. I hope you like it as well. I just wanted to switch it up for you guys, do something a little bit different. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything, you know what to do. Please put them down below in the description box. Also, again, everything on this unit and all other information will be down below in the description box as well. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you on my next video. Bye.